Hey, good hello everybody.
Thank you for coming back to my channel. It's a lovely day outside. There's a bit of clouding though, but it's not too cold, not too warm. There's a slight breeze cooling us down in the afternoon. This YouTube channel is not working out for me. It's a lot of work and I need to focus on my business. This car joy is a waste of time for me. So this will be the last little video I'm posting, and we're gonna sell everything.
So from owning this car, I have found out that we need to get the right bottom piece of this bumper. It needs to be a spring rather than just a piece of flat metal. The brakes and wheel bearings needs to be serviced, I'd say. This door is not lining up properly. You can see paint is starting to come off there, and we've got a massive chip there, and this piece is starting to bend as well. I don't know if you can see the gap there. All the kinks still needs to be sorted out. So she's still a restoration project. The taillights don't work yet. These indicators, they do come up, but not all the way. I don't know. I'm used to maybe new technology where it should just work. Taking the roof off is a two-man job. Yeah, she drives okay. Not to today's standard, but she drives lekker. I'm thinking on mounting like a rear view camera, but that would really modernize this thing too much. Should I make a mold of this body and build fiberglass hot rods, or like my dad would have done?
Remember to subscribe, y'all. Click the like button.
Shame, she looks so lonely in the garage. Check all this fuel that's pissing out. Let's start it. Neutral. So we took up a bit of copper pipe and we added a little grommet on the top, or whatever you want to call it, and one at the bottom, and now we can keep the bonnet open. But yeah, guys, we have a little bit of a issue here. Look at all this grease coming from the water pump. I don't know, dude. I don't know what the fuck is happening here. I'll have to take this pump off and check it out again. But it's pissing out all the grease and it's losing all the fluid. Any case, it never stops with these old cars, eh? So it's the SS 3.5 liters. There's the engine number, and if we put it on, then there's a button here. Yeah, we've got fucking grease from the water pump everywhere. Like a bulge of grease, more grease. It's like that bolt over there needs to be tightened a little bit. It looks like it's seeping well there. I obviously smeared it, and then it runs obviously all the way down here, but we'll still figure all that oil leaks out. These back shocks, I think I need to retension these springs. Sorry guys for my smoking. At least I'm not in the car, but I am close to the fuel pump that is leaking. I think that nut needs a new seal. That one also looks a little bit wettish. I think it needs a new seal, but obviously I need to drain the fuel first. There's also a little bit of a drip. This is wet, so that shock is leaking.
What the fuck? Why don't you click the like button?
Okay, lekker. So we got that sorted. Door is lining up better. Guys, every time I look at this car, I must wipe it off. Look how dirty it is all the time. But we got those taillights working. Lights on. Right. Lights off. Right. Yeah, and fixing that fuel leak. So when it got empty, inside there's a needle that got stuck. So I just tapped with a small hammer there, and no more leaking. We'll see how long that lasts. We took the water pump out and we reconditioned it. And we got a new belt on here. And now if I start her, no more leaks. Not at the carburetor, nor down there by the pump.
This baby is getting sold tomorrow morning, and one lucky buyer sold! 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 But we can't wait to have tequila tomorrow morning.
Wat ons wat drink.